In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Fresha business account. By the end, you'll have a verified account and be ready to continue building your business presence on Fresha. Start by opening your preferred web browser. For a smooth experience, use an up-to-date browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Head to the Fresha website. On the homepage, look for the option labeled for business. Click that, and on the business page, select the button that says sign up free. If you end up on the consumer booking side by accident, no problem, just find the for business link in the menu and try again. Next, you'll see the registration form. Enter your email address. Using a work email you check regularly is best, so you won't miss important updates. Create a strong password that you haven't used anywhere else. Aim for a good mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Then add your full name as you want it associated with the account. Double check your details for typos before you continue, especially the email address since you'll need it for verification. Submit the form to create your account. Fresha will immediately send a verification email to the address you provided. Keep the sign up tab open and switch to your email in a new tab or on your phone. Look for the message from Fresha and open it. Click the verification link inside to activate your account. If you don't see the email after a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check folders like spam, junk, promotions, or updates. Still nothing? Return to the sign up page and use the option to resend the email and make sure your email address was entered correctly. When you click the verification link, your browser will confirm that your email is verified and your account is active. If you're prompted to sign in, just use the same email and password you created. If you're on a shared or public device, plan to sign out when you're finished to keep your account secure. That's it. The initial setup is complete. You now have a Fresha business account you can use to continue setting up your services, team, and scheduling when you're ready. A quick recap before we wrap up. Go to the Fresha website, choose for business, click sign up free, register with your email, password, and full name, then verify your email by clicking the link in your inbox. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, you're all set to move on to the next steps of configuring your business inside Fresha whenever it suits you.